We'll guide you through how to write bullet points in Excel cell. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Next, open a new or existing workbook where you want to add bullet points, and make sure the correct worksheet is active. Click on the cell where you want to write bullet points, and ensure the cell is empty or ready to be edited. Double-click the cell or press F2 to enter edit mode. Then place your cursor inside the cell. Type your first line of text as your first point, and press Alt+Enter to move to a new line within the same cell. At the beginning of the new line, type an equal sign, then type CHAR and open a bracket. After that, type the number 0149 using your keyboard, close the bracket to complete the formula, and press Enter to generate the bullet symbol. You will notice that a bullet point symbol appears in the cell. After creating the first bullet point, you can click the next column and type a subpoint or additional explanation related to the main bullet. For example, you can write supporting notes like a guide hub beside the main points. Repeat this for each row if you want structured bullet and subpoint pairs. To create bullet points faster, click the cell that already contains a bullet. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the selected cell and wait until the fill handle icon appears. Click and hold the fill handle, then drag it downward to copy the bullet into multiple cells. Release the mouse to apply the fill and adjust the number of cells based on your needs. This method helps you save time when creating multiple bullet points. After that, review the content to ensure all bullet points are properly formatted. Resize the row height to fit all lines clearly and adjust the column width for better readability. Check that all bullet points appear properly inside one cell and are easy to read. Apply font size or style changes if needed to improve the overall appearance. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the changes to ensure all your bullet points and formatting are stored correctly.